वेलकम टू योगमाया की यात्रा रमता योगी फ्रेंड्स। आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं पैनोरामा व्यू के लिए नियर हुट्सप्रेड। सो जो यहाँ पर बहुत ही सुंदर आई हर्ड पैनोरामिक व्यू है, उसके लिए आज मेरा टूर है। और मैं सॉरी मुड़ के बार बार नहीं देख सकती हूँ क्योंकि ये ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं है सीढ़ियाँ, पर आज चलते हैं आप मेरे साथ उसकी यात्रा करने के लिए। पर इससे सबसे पहले मैं आपको हमारे ब्रेड एंड ब्रेकफास्ट की ओनर से आपका परिचय कराती हूँ। So I'm here with Susan, who is the owner of our bread and breakfast. You want to say something?
Hi, I'm Sue. I run Sweetsongo Bed and Breakfast. Sweetsongo means small things. So we look at all the small things, the butterflies, the dragonflies, the bees, and all the beautiful tiny little things around. So that's what Sweetsongo means. And I've been here for around about 5 to 6 years. And we've got 4 rooms.
So you can see
and we
the
only
4
do
rooms.
a bed and breakfast. We don't do anything else. That's it.
This is my room.
And we try and help our guests to have the best
She does. She
time
does.
that they could possibly have.
She does. I highly recommend this bed and breakfast. और अगर आपको इफ़ यू नीड द इंफॉर्मेशन सूजन के बारे में, आपको कॉन्टैक्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें और मैं आपको उसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन दूंगी। अगर आप कभी साउथ अफ्रीका जा रहे हैं और आपको कहीं रुकने का देखना है क्रूगर नेशनल पार्क के पास में, सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेसेस एंड आई विल लेट यू नो द चार्जेस एंड द एमेनिटीज़ दे हैव। Right for panorama view.
It is, yeah.
Okay.
Walking.
Yes.
Nice.
I was just walking around and now you can see the
Pick you up. They have houses inside.
This
That's
is
the
aeroplane
hotel in the
hotel.
plane. It's
Yeah.
called Air Hotel.
Yeah.
So we'll get the viewpoints from the top to this side. And the canyon will see it from the Yeah, you get fruits there.
So this is the
You can
Bulgur
see some
famous
fruits
tree.
at the top there, yeah.
Oh, okay. And you can eat them, right?
Yeah, the fruits are used to make yeast for baking.
हाँ. तो ये जो हम जा रहे हैं पैनोरामा राउट पे, ये मप्पू मलांगा पैनोरामा राउट है और ये यहाँ पर जो यूनिक जियोलॉजिकल फीचर्स हैं जिससे जो पॉट होल्स बनते हैं ज़मीन में, वो काफ़ी यूनिक हैं वो देखने में। सो हम वो देखते जाते हैं। बट राइट नाउ वी आर गोइंग थ्रू दिस ब्यूटीफुल टनल।
It's your time now.
Now it's my time, right?
And your phone is very good.
Thank you. मेरा फ़ोन आईफोन है, नॉर्मल आईफोन है, बट यू नो गाइड को बहुत अच्छा लगा, सो दैट इज़ रियली नाइस। बट वी आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू सी गॉड्स विंडो। मैं आपको बता रही थी कि जो हम देखेंगे पॉट होल्स, बट वील बी सीइंग गॉड्स विंडो एज वेल। तो हम लोग यहाँ पर पहुँच गए हैं और जो लोकल ट्राइब हैं उनके बच्चे यहाँ पर डांस कर रहे हैं और सॉन्ग भी गा रहे हैं उनकी लोकल लैंग्वेज में, फोक लैंग्वेज में। Really beautiful, and I don't know if I can capture this in the video, but this is really breathtaking. This is beautiful, really beautiful, and you can look at that. These are the potholes.
Trier River. This is
So this
Bladder
is
River.
what
So
they
Trier River
meant
dies
by
into
potholes in the.
Bladder.
Oh
And
wow!
then summertime when it rains a lot, there's more action. You see the rocks inside that hot there.
Wow!
You find water inside, grinding makes the pot bigger and bigger. But now because of less water,
Right now.
water, very less compared to the summer. So if you come
So I'm going
immediately
to
after
zoom
the
in and
rain,
out so you can see how
you can
beautiful
even
it is.
hear the sound of the water from there falling down the side. It's much more impressive. But this is beautiful because it's nice and clear. In the summertime, you find the water red in color this side
Oh, really? Oh, because of the
mud coming from the villages. So that side, the water is always clean.
God,
Beautiful.
it's beautiful. It's really the other side.
Yes. So this is Bladder River now. No more two rivers.
Oh.
When it starts forming the canyon from here
Uh-huh.
to where we'll see the actual canyon.
हमारे गाइड बता रहे हैं तो ये जो बॉर्केज लक एक्चुअली पॉट होल ये एक प्रॉस्पेक्टर था टॉम बॉर्के उसके नाम पर बने हैं और उसको लगा था कि उसको यहाँ पर गोल्ड मिल गया है बट गोल्ड नहीं था। ये सिर्फ जो आपको जो ये पॉट होल्स दिख रहे हैं ये जो स्वर्लिंग रिवर यानी कि जो घूमती हुई जो बहाव के साथ में चलती हुई नदियाँ हैं उनके कारण ये बने हुए हैं और ये वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट कैनियंस में है। यहाँ पे ब्लाइड रिवर की जो है जो हमने पहले आपको बताया था पिछले वीडियो में। It's really nice here. Just walked around and now we are going back. Have to be just careful because the rocks are not so slippery but a little bit slippery. Luckily I have good shoes so that helps. हमारी किस्मत भी अच्छी है कि आज बारिश नहीं है, मौसम बिल्कुल खुला हुआ है तो वो भी एक बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप सही मौसम में आएँ तो स्लिपरी नहीं है ज़्यादा। So here's the quiet river.
Used to grind up here. You see the hose
Yes,
going
yes.
down. It's no longer active.
But when you have more water, then you might see that right here
It
too.
doesn't go that high.
Oh, it doesn't go that high.
It used to grind when the river was higher.
Still Blade River here, right?
This is only Bladder River before it joins with the Trier River. So
The
that
other side.
After the bridge, it's Bladder with the Trier River.
तो बॉर्ड्स लग के पॉट होल्स को देखने के बाद अब हम गॉड्स विंडो देखने जा रहे हैं। I see lots of pine now, right?
But it?
The pine,
Yes.
is it a new thing or people have been growing pines since a very long time?
Mine started in the early 1800s.
Early 1800s.
Yeah, so there's a town not so far from here called Pilgrim's Rest.
Here it's a
Time.
controlled fire.
Yeah, winter time they normally burn like they say like some roads are designed as belts. So when they burn in a good day like today,
Yeah,
it's able to stop where they want it to stop because it's controlled.
it's controlled right
But
here.
if they burn in another day where it's not a good weather, then it
Yeah.
will go.
It's really nice.
So see the roads which are controlling the fires. Yeah. In case the fire jump to another
okay, so
belt
you-
that they don't want. Yeah, you see this.
So these are Lisbon Falls, and you can see here. These are Lisbon Falls because I started video recording and I'm like, okay, I don't even remember the name of the fall I'm here for. So beautiful falls. ये पैनोरामिक रूट का लिस्बन जो फॉल्स है ये हाईएस्ट फॉल है और 94 मीटर्स हाई पर है एक्चुअली एंड आप देख रहे हैं कि कितना प्यारा ये सराउंडेड बाय रियली लश ग्रीनरी और क्लिफ्स के वहाँ से हैं। यू कुड वॉक ऑल द वे डाउन हाउएवर अर्लियर you could walk, however unfortunately आप बोलते हैं अब आपको एक्सेसिबल नहीं है नीचे जाना वहाँ पर। लोग यहाँ पर कुछ लोकल लोगों ने बनाए हुए हैं आर्टिफैक्ट्स और सोवेनियर्स वो लेने आए। What's your name?
Regina.
Regina. So Regina is selling here these marula wood and here teak wood. Do you paint them or no? So I'm not 100% sure what I want to buy. So I'll see. I heard, I used to make actually when I was young, these beaded butterflies I made. What's your name? Yeah, she. So I bought the key chain. So, okay. This is the highest point.
Yeah, 1,800.
1,800. So we are here at God's window.
There's a long queue. I just wanna make it.
No, God's window, but you have 4 points, right? You said?
Yeah, all the points are the view. It's good to good.
Oh, it's God's window. Okay, so this is God's window. Beautiful. बिल्कुल नाम की तरह God's window. It's a beautiful view. This is another viewing point for God's window, and apparently today we are lucky because window is open. It means we can see. Otherwise, if you have fog, you won't see anything. So today, luckily, the weather is really beautiful and sunny, so you can see the whole thing. Okay.
So that's the main viewpoint, but for me, it's not a nice one. So
This one is the main viewpoint.
main viewpoint. Yeah, you can,
Since we are here and no one is here, so let's have a look at it before we go to rainforest. So now we are going to rainforest to see the rainforest. Oh, we are here. This is the rainforest, okay. It must be really slippery, right, during the rain time?
yeah, you have to get perfect shoes.
Yes. It's the rainforest, and we are walking towards the another viewpoint where we can see Mozambique, hopefully. Oh, we are here. Beautiful. Standing here, and you can see the view of the entire. What are we seeing here?
The Lowveld, including the Bushbuck Ridge region, Kruger National Park, up until the
Okay,
Mozambique border. So,
until the Mozambique border, but unfortunately, because of the control fire, we are unable to see Mozambique. Otherwise, you do see it from here. And what's that river there in the far?
we have a dam there called Inyaka Dam.
This is Inyaka Dam. Okay. So we climbed to the highest point, and now we are climbing down. It's a beautiful rainforest here.
You're a strong man,
It's a really beautiful view, and then that's the climb up.
It's great.
Yeah.
It's great. There's lots of people.
Hoedspruit is good. Hoedspruit, especially where I'm right now staying,
Yeah,
that is really tempting.
lots of people from Europe coming down.
I heard about it.
Yeah.
That's why I was asking about the text. So my channel's name is Yogmaya Ki Yatra, and if you can. Your voice.
Okay, no, I was saying the three round mountains, they are called the three Randavels.
3 runaways.
Three Randavels, yes.
Randavels,
Just
okay.
because they look like the round houses where the people used to live way back before civilization.
Okay.
Then the canyon we are entering, it's the Blade River Canyon.
Yeah, Blade River Canyon.
Yeah, so like I said earlier, it's more different than the Grand Canyon because here it's greener pastures. Yeah.
Does it mean anything by Blade, or it's just
Blade is the river of happiness.
River of Happiness? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, but I mean, this is 3 randoms. Oh
Yes.
wow! So this is the
So you see, like what I was saying with the
Beautiful.
sun,
Beautiful.
It's
Yes.
nice
yes.
reflection.
Yes, it's a beautiful reflection.
God.
So that's why
So-
you do the boat.
So you go, yeah. So that's where I was.
Yeah,
So that's the place you see there.
Yes.
That's where I was yesterday, day before.
Yeah. Then you say.
Yeah,
you
Bhira
can
Ghat,
there
right? Something
see
like
the
that.
hippos. You come here, waterfalls, and go back.
Oh wow, beautiful. And I heard there are lots of crocodiles also in the
Yeah,
water,
crocodiles
so you
and
can see,
hippos.
yes, crocodiles. This is really beautiful. And I tried the American one, and it's a mix now.
working.
No, my daughter is like, don't even try, because it does not sound good. So she wants me to continue with my accent, where whatever I have, the mixed one. In Boston and in California. So I live in 2 states. I work in California.
Relatives down here? No.
So-
Not at all. You got any relatives down here? Anyone you know
No,
down here?
no
Not
one
really.
migrated from my family to South Africa. So no, I don't have any relatives here. All my family is in America.
So you've had a.
Do you mind if I sit and you take the
Yeah, but
picture?
be careful.
So the view is really breathtaking here.
Especially this time of the day.
Yes, see, that's why I told you, you know more, right, than me. Oh, just behind this hill. Okay. So the town is Hoots. In the beginning, I couldn't pronounce Hootspray.
Okay.
It took me a while to get used to Hootspray.
Yeah, it's wood spread. Wood is a head.
Hootspray, yeah,
and
Hootspray.
It's a head and spread is a small river.
Spread. Okay,
So they say they
Hootspray.
found out-
So what is 3 rondevels means?
The tree rondovel. A rondovel, it's a round house.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so those mountains, they look like they're round houses, where the
Houses.
people used to stay way back before.
This is our guide, and who is really showing us, Vincent, around all the panorama route, right? And you do more than this, though. Correct,
Yeah.
Vincent?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. We go Kruger National Park and transfers to all the lodges around Hoedspruit area, Limpopo and Mpumalanga province.
Okay, awesome. आज का panorama route and all the waterfalls, 3 rendezvous and God's window, everything was really breathtaking. So now it's time for us to go back. So I generally like to travel with my Jiralu, and I threw it by mistake. So Sue, whom we met this morning, reached out to her friend, and she made a special Jiralu for me. So I can put it in my khana, because otherwise it becomes really bland. So I like to have the spices, and I think she gave me the sambar powder as well. So that's really nice of her. Really, really nice of her. Sue is beyond nice, as I told you, and आज मैं फिर से जल्दी आ गई हूँ sunset से पहले. As I told you, you are not allowed to walk after sunset. So अभी पहले जल्दी आ गई हूँ, तो I'm just going for a walk. And you can see the wild. I think, I don't know what they call it, but it's like their chicken here. Look really beautiful. Oh, this is the first time I'm seeing them from this close. Beautiful. Here is another friend. Hi, buddy. Do you want to come with me? Come on. Come. तो अगर आप आते हैं साउथ अफ्रीका में, तो आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड टू कम एंड लुक एट दिस पैनोरामिक राउट जो मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया. एंड अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, इस बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, Hoedspruit के पास में है ये, so feel free to reach out to me in the comment section, and I will see you in my next episode. Till then, stay safe and travel the world.